The air code CH32 indicates that the discharge temperature of compressor 1 is high. This issue can be caused by insufficient or leaking refrigerant, or a damaged discharge temperature sensor. To fix this problem, it's essential to check the refrigerant state using the appliance's display to inspect the indoor unit CEV. If it's open, it may indicate insufficient refrigerant. The degree of superheat should not exceed 5 degrees Celsius. Next, verify that the low and high pressure levels are within the recommended ranges, as pressures above or below the target can indicate insufficient refrigerant. Additionally, checking the inverter discharge temperature can help determine if the refrigerant is insufficient. It's also crucial to inspect the associated pipes for any visible damage or bending and replace them if necessary to prevent leakage. To check the discharge temperature sensor, remove the front panel of the outdoor unit and access the control unit to ensure the sensor is properly positioned. Measure the resistance between the black and purple resistors to confirm it matches the discharge temperature, and verify the voltage is 5 volts. If any discrepancies are found, the discharge temperature sensor may be damaged and require a replacement. If the issue persists, it's recommended to consult a professional and provide them with the findings for further assistance.